Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for any debris, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Remove any debris and perform any repairs needed before riding. Pay particular attention to the radiator area for the accumulation of debris, which can cause the engine to overheat, and clean any debris that is found. Check the condition of the tires, looking for any signs of punctures or damage, and inspect the tread depth. Also check the tire pressures and verify they are set to specification. Inspect the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Also inspect the brake pads and rotors, looking for corrosion, nicks, and burrs. Next, ensure the vehicle is on a level surface to inspect the fluid levels. Lift up on the rear of the seat and pull back to remove. Inspect the air filter box for any damage or leaks. Also inspect the fluid level in the rear brake reservoir. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. Continue by inspecting the front brake reservoir on the left handlebar for proper fluid level. A flashlight can be used to illuminate the reservoir in dark areas. Next, inspect the coolant level in the overflow bottle in the right front wheel well. Add coolant as needed. Then inspect the engine oil level on the right side of the vehicle. Ensure the oil level is checked on a cold engine. A hot engine will appear overfilled. Remove the engine access panel and clean the area around the oil dipstick. Turn the oil dipstick counterclockwise to remove and wipe with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove it again to inspect the oil level. Add the recommended oil as needed. Do not overfill. Then reinstall the engine access panel. Next, verify proper brake and throttle lever movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. Also ensure proper operation of the foot brake. Set the parking brake and ensure the vehicle does not roll. Next, turn the key on and verify proper operation of the headlights, tail lights, and brake lights. Continue by checking the steering for smooth operation from full left to full right. Start the engine and verify the low oil pressure light is not illuminated. Stop the engine with the stop run switch and verify it does not restart. Also, ensure there is enough fuel for your trip. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.